I am a big nerd for self-help books. They got me into starting my own business and they made me the person that I am today. I have to say, there's also some negative side effects about self-help books. For example, when I'm sitting down, doing nothing, relaxing or playing games, there's always a voice in my head saying that I should do something productive.
After my first wake-up alarm, I go into another room and start doing a workout. Sometimes it's running, sometimes it's burpees, sometimes even yoga. It gets my body ready for the day, and the heavier the workout, the better I feel afterwards. This is also a place for me where I'm not thinking about anything else than, fuck, this is hard. Sports can be fun too, you know? So every year I go on a surfing trip to really reconnect with myself. It's a perfect sport for me. If you catch a wave, you get an instant reward for your paddling and your rating.
Sitting still and doing absolutely nothing is so hard to do. But meditation really helps. I never thought I would use that word so often when people came to me and asking for help on how to change their life.
Meditation. I heard it the first time in a podcast by Vishen Lakhiani called Mind Valley. These high achievers were talking about meditation as if it was kind of a superpower, used by huge names in sports and music business. So I gave it a shot, and now I meditate on a daily basis. I use an app called Calm that's dedicated to people who want to meditate, obviously. I do like the voice in it.
Welcome to the Daily Calm.
Sometimes I just set a timer and listen to rain sounds. The benefits of meditation is that I can cope with stressful situations and I am less prone to react frustrated and have less discussions in general.
I started writing in 2019, so almost 2 years ago, and it's amazing to see on how much I have changed as a person. The problems that I was writing about are now so small or insignificant or even non-existent.
When I'm done meditating, I start writing stuff down. This can be random stuff like, what did I do yesterday? Or what do I want to do today? What's in my head? It's more relieving than you think, because when you write your thoughts down, it almost seems like you don't have to think about it anymore. Because it's written down and you can always turn back. I love to step out of my world and into the world of the story that I'm reading. Right now, I'm reading Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins.
Mother Nature's a pissed off motherfucker, but guess what? So am I.
He's a bad motherfucker that has been through some nasty things in his life. He used those bad experiences to turn it into something good to inspire us all. I took a lot of lessons out of every self-help book that I read and implemented those into my own life. There are too many books to name, but the one I grabbed multiple times was Morning Miracle by Hal Elrod. When I'm doing my work at home and I'm not really excited or motivated, I implement the Pomodoro technique. It's invented in the 80s by a guy called Francesco Cirillo. The principle is easy. You set an alarm for 20 minutes for working and then you do something completely else for 3 minutes. During those 3 minutes, I grab my skateboard and practice some kickflips.
You can do it. Yeah!
It's amazing to see how much work I can get done in 1 hour compared to when I'm not using this technique yesterday. I tested it out with the same task and I finished my work 3 times faster than the day before. I'm no longer distracted by Facebook or email because I'm really focused about what I have to do in those 20 minutes. A cluttered desk is a cluttered mind.
That's why I like my desk clean and away from distractions. This is also the same for your computer. If you organize your footage, it's easier to search for the right file and doing your work more efficiently. I'm not the most tidy person, but I try my best to take this into action.
It's really important to take some time off to recharge your batteries. For example, I used to work on Saturday and Sunday. Now I don't do this anymore because I really want to relax and start a fresh new week on Monday.
By this I mean a real break. Do something you like that's not work related. I really enjoy watching movies or have a drink with my friends. It's great to take some distance from the everyday working life and think about something completely else.
Walking used to be a very boring word for me.
I'm making record time on this fog walk. Better pick up the pace.
It was an activity that you should do when you're older, but right now I see that this was a huge misconception. And I have to say, I love walking.
Since I have a dog and a girlfriend who loves walking, I do it every week. My mind keeps on giving excuses not to do it, or activities that seem more productive. But when I'm out into the open, experiencing nature, this is a moment for me and my girlfriend to talk about life and what's going on inside our heads. Sometimes we walk 20 kilometers, sometimes just 5. Walking is
Alright,
cool.
that was it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really enjoyed sharing these tips. And if you like this video, just like the video and subscribe. So thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.